What's up, guys? Today, me and Jackson are gonna show you how to get all the Dragon Balls. But
we only know where 4 are.
We only know where 4 are. So you'll see how to get all of them, but we're gonna have to search for the. Wait, how many Dragon Balls are there?
There's 7.
We're gonna have to search for the. There's one Dragon Ball over here, guys. Grab it and bring it to the egg.
You know
carton.
this is not gonna be short, right? It's gonna be so long.
That's if we can find them quickly.
We're not. I spent like 15 minutes trying to find 4.
Okay, there's one.
You don't have to talk like that.
Oh, where's the second one? Where is it?
Alright, it's up here.
All the way up there.
Wait, I think I only know where 3.
What happened to you?
Here's the second one.
Second one's over here on the hot tub. This is the 4th one. No, it's the 4th one. Look at how many. I don't know. We did 2, but this is the 4th Dragon Ball. If you go in order.
It's not.
Yes, it is. There's a number 4.
It's not.
There's number 4, stupid dummy.
Put it right there.
There's a number 4, stupid dummy.
You're stupid dummy. Now,
see, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go in the sewers, guys. You shut up. And it's to the end of this.
No crap, they can see.
6. This is the 6th one if you go in order.
Shut up.
Poo. Alright, where's the 4th one?
Now,
under the water. There's probably one on the ship. Not this ship, but the
it's
ship.
under the ship.
There's probably one on.
No, there's one in the main lobby.
So they're not at the. But okay, this is the 7th one, guys. If you're going in order. If you're going in order by 1.
Shut up.
To 2.
Shut up.
This is the last one that you should find if you're following a proper tutorial.
Shut up!
But you're following our tutorial if you see this. Alright, now we gotta find the rest. I don't know. You said that. There's probably one over here. On this little spaceship.
You check up there, I check under here.
Okay. Wait. Check inside of it. Wait, where do I check?
Oh, never mind.
Where do I check?
I don't know.
You don't know. I'm checking all the way on top of the crib. There's nothing over there. Wait, I'm gonna look inside.
It's not.
There's nothing inside.
This is only like a 30-minute video. Should we just cut the parts out where we don't know where they is?
I'm not good at that.
Well, I guess you can just send the video to me and I'll edit it.
I can't send it to you.
You can. You can send the video to me on Discord when you download it.
No, remember? The video's too big. And you have to send it in like your drive.
You have me phone number.
What?
You have me phone number.
I know. But every time I
Send
text
it to me on phone number.
Every time I text you, you don't respond. Yes, I do. I'm looking. Wait, is there one all the way up here? There's probably one up here. Oh, I found one. I think. No, it's just soccer field. It was glowing. I didn't find it. How do you know it's all in spawn? A kid? You're gonna trust a kid? How old did he sound? Yeah. I bet you it's just like old map where you could go to the tippity top of the tree. can't. You don't know that. Why would they make it look like that? Oh, you can't. I'm scouting from high above. My senses quite can't see one. Oh, there's a hole in the wall. Let's go over there. It's probably one of these pipes. Ow. That really hurt, guys. Because I fell from a very high place. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. There has to be something in these pipes. Can you guys spot one? Wait, what's in there? Oh, that's probably office. Where? On the big pipe. Where the factory is. Oh, I see you. I'm coming. Look. I'm coming.
Oh, it's right here.
Where?
Right here. Right here.
Oh, guys. This is where you find the third one.
Shut up.
Or fifth one in our case.
Shut up.
You shut up.
Shut up.
Wait, we need to look in these pipes.
There's nothing in this.
You don't know that? You can't see anything.
I do.
I'm gonna go look.
I went in there before.
Without me? Dang.
Yes. But how do you think I know?
Because a kid told you. I don't believe you. You want to save all the Dragon Balls to yourself, so you can make a wish. I'm not letting that happen.
You want to know how to defeat Goku?
How? Yeah, you pay $5 to give Goku cancer, and he says, "Ow, that hurt." Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. There's nothing up here. Very strange. Guys, do you know why there's nothing up there? Why? There's nothing in these strange long tubes. It's like I'm in somebody's belly. Oh, guys, I see an exit. I'm gonna get out. I'm stuck in here. Wait, this was the tunnel that I was stuck in. And I couldn't see. Oh, I just found the 6th Dragon Ball. It was in here. It was in the tunnel that we already went into.
Where?
I said we already went in that tunnel.
So it's in here.
No, it's not. We went in that.
This is not the pipe that we were stuck in, Reem.
No, that's the one. That's the tunnel. That was very dark and spooky.
Shut up.
You shush.
I'm going under the map.
I'm trying to talk to our 40-year-olds that are watching.
I'm talking bad about y'all. You don't need to help.
Wait, guys, type in comments if you're watching on your mom's phone right now. Because when I looked at the analytics, it said people from 36 to 40 mostly watch our channel. Yeah. Yeah. Say me if you're gay. Jackson, I don't think they're all in the spawn island. Wait, have you checked the honeycomb or hive? Let me hear it. You're going there right now, because I heard you. You were like, yeah. You didn't sound so sure about that answer, bucko. Why should I shut up? What happened to you liking it? How? Explain me your troubles. There's too many holes? Ask your dad to fill them in. Hey Alexa, say purple in English. Hey Alexa, how do you say purple in English? I said English, Alexa. Say purple. You don't know how to say purple in English? Dang, Alexa downgraded. Why is Alexa your is Alexa your mom? Your mom's a butthole. 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 Her name is. Okay, there's nothing in these pipes. Because Jackson's gonna ask his dad to fill them in. Why? Where are you going? Falling where? Where are you? Shut up. How dare I say that? I'm so sorry, Jackson. Hope I didn't break your feelings. We're not gonna get canceled. Why would we get canceled? Our fans would never do that to us, right? How are we gonna get canceled? Yeah. I'm being so good.
You tell me, sucker. Cause you talking
to
Alexa.
Why are you following me?
I'm not. You're following me.
No, you're. There's probably a Dragon Balls. What's got you fuming, buddy? There's something that's making you angry. Guys, do you play with your Jax toy? Jackson, I found a Dragon Ball! Up here on the dam. Up here! See? That one, guys. Go on the dam. Oh, damn. We only need one more, chat! No, it's not. This is our 6th one. But
how much time do you have left?
Hey Alexa, how much time left on my timer? Hey Alexa, how much time left on my timer? 15 minutes. We got 15 minutes. Look. All right, chat. Type 1 in the chat if you're. What? Why? No, guys. You want a jinx? You want a jinxie quote? Here's a jinxie quote. No, I'm saying a jinxie quote. Type 1 in the chat if you're bricked up, 2 in the chat if you're off,
stop!
3 in the chat if you don't understand the question, 4 in the chat if you like turtles. That's Jinxie's day-old question. There's probably something in the pipe. They do like my videos. Very much, right guys?
What was the best amount of views that you've ever gotten?
Like 200. You got a bunch because you stole somebody's moon rock video. What? I wasn't the one who posted. Oh yeah. You know the color challenge thing? They like that. it got pretty popular. At least 100 views in like an hour. In an hour. It's still growing. Is there any?
How much does it have now?
I don't know. I haven't checked.
Well, check.
Guys, you really didn't like the gold video. This is a broken down house. Where is it? I hate you. I didn't mean to say that, guys. I'm so sorry. And don't let us get canceled for... No, I said I hate you. Why did I say that again? Why do I keep on saying I hate you? Not y'all, guys. Where? Where are you? Oh, it is right there. Guys, look. Jackson, the good bear, found the last one. Jackson's like those bears from that show that your teachers always used to show you with the overbite.
Yeah, when are they gonna make that crocodile outfit come back? Cause I really...
Guys, look! Last Dragon Ball! Let's see what you get.
You get this.
All that for... I hate you. Give me it back. I just did all of that for nothing. This is what true friendship is. That's what betrayal is called, guys. He really did that to me. Wait, can you dupe it?
Can you buy it? Yeah.
You can buy it now?
No.
Hate you. Why'd you say that? Jackson! Why did you buy that?
Oh no. It was in the backpacks. I thought it was a backpack.
You thought
Let me dupe that. Let me dupe it. Let me dupe it.
You dupe yours! I don't trust you.
Dude, you want me to dupe it for you? I'll give it back, I promise. Pinky.
Say,
promise.
oh, you pinky promised? There.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Well, bye-bye.
Alright.
That's how you get all the Dragon Balls, so. Bye-bye.
Pick it up and
Hope
drop
you
it.
have a
Pick it up and drop
great
it.
day, and bye-bye.